welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm J Castro MUA. Thank you for being here. Today I recorded this video which was inspired by a post that Manny MUA posted using his Life's a Drag palette. I'll post a picture somewhere on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that button down below. I would greatly appreciate it. If you guys want to see my take on the look that he posted up, then please continue watching. First, I'm going to prime my face with the Benefit Porefessional Primer. Moving on to foundation, I'll be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in Y305. You might hear voices in the background. My sister is over, so she's a loud one. Her due date's actually today, so we're just waiting for her to pop so I can meet my nephew. It's just a waiting game right now. I'm going to apply foundation. And for concealer, I'll be using my favorite concealer, which is the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer in Fair. Not going to bake the under eye like I always do. Today I'm just going to set it really quickly, and I'll be using the Mercier translucent setting powder. Next I'll be moving on to my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original. Taking a Morphe M518 brush, I'm going to go into Hunty. Ooh, the palette's so big. I'm going to go into Hunty. I'm going to start on my bottom lash line because I have to line my eyeshadow to my bottom lash line. Next, I'm going to go into the color Mug to darken that out a little bit. With the Lottie London packing brush, I'm going to go into Trade and go right over that. Next, I'll be taking a Morphe G19 brush and going into the color Shady. Going into Sickening, I'm going to blend that into the rest of the colors to diffuse it a little bit. With a small detailing brush and a little bit of concealer, I'm going to carve out the inside so it really brings that wing out. So I'm just going to set it with a little bit of setting powder. And again, I'll just be using the Mercier translucent setting powder to set it. I am going to finish the other eye off of camera, and I'll be right back when I'm done. So I'm back and I have finished my eyes, and the most disappointing thing happened after I said I'll be right back. I dropped my brand new Marc Jacobs bronzer on the floor and it broke. I haven't even used it once. Not even once. This thing cost me $60. And the thing is, like, I would use it still, but I see shards of glass in there and I'm just not about that. I'm legit so disappointed right now. Didn't even get to try it. I don't know, I'll see if I can try to get the glass out, but there's literally like tiny pieces everywhere. I don't even think it's worth it anymore. $60 down the drain. I'm just fucking heartbroken. Ugh. We're moving on. I'm going to be moving on to my brows, and I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. To finish the eyes, and we'll be moving on to mascara. So today I'll be using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. This is a staple in my beauty bag. My eyelashes look amazing after using this. This and the Bad Gal Bang Mascara, the best. I don't know what Benefit does, but they're doing something right. I have mascara on the top lashes, and for the bottom lashes today I'll be using the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Luscious Full Fan Effect Waterproof Mascara. Okay. I do want to apply falsies, so today I'm going to be using the Baddington Lashes. I received these in my BoxyCharm a few months ago, and they do look very pretty, so I'm excited to try these out. I'm actually going to be applying these off of camera, and I'll be right back. I'm back and my eyelashes are on. So now it's time to move on to the face. Because my bronzer broke, I'm gonna have to go back to my handy dandy bronzer. This is like actually one of my favorite bronzers. It's just I really wanted to try out the Marc Jacobs one. I'll be bronzing with the Benefit Hula bronzer and the Morphe R7 brush. Next, I'm moving on to contouring, and I'll be using the IBY Highlight and Contour Palette. For my brush, I'll be using the Morphe R14 brush, and I'm going into contour too, which is this middle shade over here. One thing about having blonde hair and putting on makeup is that I always end up with foundation in my hair or bronzer, so I always have a few brown spots. So after I finish my makeup, I usually go in with some water. Either way, my roots are coming in real bad and I gotta get this shit fixed. I'm moving on to my blush, and I'm gonna be using the Note Cosmetics Desert Rose Blush. It's a very cute shade. And of course, for my blush, I'll be using the Luxie 660 Precision Foundation Brush. Next is my absolute favorite part. I'm going to be highlighting my face. And today I'll be using the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Coco Bling. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is absolutely stunning. Oh my god. Okay, like this is off the hook. Wow. Wow. I am in love right now with this. Artist Couture is amazing. I love all of their pigment, like all of their loose powders. Killing it. we are almost done. I'm just going to apply lipstick right now. Today I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint. All that's left to do was set my face, so today I'll be using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray. Alright guys, this concludes my Manny Mua inspired makeup look. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that button down below. You know, it's that big red button that says subscribe. Please subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Foundation in Y305. I'll be using the Maybelline Okay. And today I'm going to be going in with the... Oh my god! Like, there is something wrong with me today because that's exactly what I did with my foundation, my bronzer, and now the blush. Gonna do my bronzer, brush, blondes, bloods. This concludes the makeup Manny